So this is my new friend. I named it Purantu. Purantu, Purantu. Not Parantu, not Parantu, Purantu. So I found it I found it today just outside of my friend's hostel. Uh, I don't know what's its gender. So there were two, but one was dead, so I brought him in with me, and I named it Purantu. So I will be updating you guys about this bird, about Purantu. Sorry. So uh, yeah, I will keep you guys updated about Purantu. And if you guys have any suggestion how to raise one, so you can comment, and so that I don't feel bad if it's dead. It's better to be prepared, mentally prepared, if for the loss of something, than to actually feel the grief. So if you have any suggestion for me to how to raise a bird well so that it survives, you can comment anything, because I really don't know anything about how to raise a bird. I have raised dogs, I have raised cats, but I don't know anything about how to raise a bird. So I have brought milk, and I bought one bun too. So if milk is fine with her, so she will have it will have milk, and if not, then I will give her bun dipped in milk. Well, it's a good experience though. I am enjoying it. I'm really very enjoying it, and I will try my best so that it survives, and I will keep you guys updated about Purantu.